Hello, my Esau group. Donna, Amy, Oliver, Johnny, I miss you all. This is practice with different vocabulary, and a lot of the vocabulary or words today are words you hear in your home. So you can practice these at home. So read and listen to each vocabulary word. Try to repeat the word you hear. So when I pause, you can say it out loud. Or when I stop, you can say it out loud. Clean the table. Make my bed. I do not like to make my bed. Wash my dog. So he is washing his dog. I don't have a dog. I have a cat. You know that. Watch my sister. Or it could be watch my brother. Brother or sister. Sister is a girl, brother is a boy. Cook food. Miss Taylor, I am not good at cooking food. I try my best. Pick up my toys. Weekly story. Read and listen to the story. Look at the pictures and see if you can name the vocabulary. Here's our title. Helping at home. Do you help at home? I hope you do. Let's look at all the different ways we can help at home. Every morning, I make my bed before I go to school. Do you guys make your own beds at home? Yesterday, my parents left the house and I watched my sister. My brother cooked us dinner. So the brother is cooking, or he cooked them dinner. Last night, I cleaned the table after dinner. Every week, I wash my dog. So he is all clean. The clean dog. Every night, I pick up my toys and put them away. All of his toys are put away on the shelves. Okay, so now let's look at words in the present tense. When you see these words, use the verb in the present tense. So present means it's happening now, or today, or right this moment. So some signal words that should make you think, okay, present tense are going to be today, right now, every day, every morning, every night, or every week. So some examples of present tense verbs are make, wash, pick up. So for example, I make my bed every day. Not really, but I try to make my bed every day. Now, some words are in the past tense, meaning it already happened in the past. So, when you see these signal words, use the verb in the past tense. So, signal words may be yesterday, last night, last week, or ago, like a long time ago. A long time ago, we were in school, or we learned in school. So, some past tense verb examples are watched, cooked, cleaned. And you can see each word adds ed on the end to make it past tense. So for example, last night I cooked dinner. Here's some conversation practice. This character looks like the mother in this family, and she is saying, remember, you need to do your chores before you can play with your friends. Here's the next character. Okay, Mom, I'll make sure to make my bed and pick up my toys before I play with my friends. So she is cleaning her room and making her bed. Make sure to do your chores. What are your chores at home? Or what are some things you have to do at home? For me, my chores are making my bed, let's do cleaning. My chores are cleaning the house. Go ahead and think of something that you can either say or if you'd like to write it down. What's another chore or job that you do at home? I will pause. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to write it down. Some more practice activities. Write the word under each picture. Now, you can look at the options below here, since you are just watching this on a video, and think about which picture matches the words. So we have clean the table, pick up my toys, wash the dog. Take a second to match which picture goes with those words. Okay, if you haven't, you could have paused or stopped the video. I'm going to show you the answers. Clean the table. Oh, I almost made a mistake. Wash the dog. Pick up my toys. Very good. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. Let's look at the options and look at the pictures. We have cook food, watch my sister, make my bed. Pause the video and think about what words go with what picture. Okay, you should have paused. I'm going to show you the answers now. Cook food goes here. Watch my sister. And my least favorite, make my bed. Okay. Next practice, we are going to change the verbs, which are here below, from present, meaning right now, to past tense by adding an ed to the end of the verb. I'll do the first one for you, and then you will do the rest on your own if you have a piece of paper that you can use. So cook, for example, I will cook food turns into, cook turns into cooked. I cooked my food last night. Clean then turns into, go ahead and write it down. Here's the answer. Cleaned. I cleaned my house yesterday. So we have play and kick. Go ahead and write these words in past tense. Okay, you should have paused the video. Here are the answers. Play turns into played, like yesterday I played with my friends, or yesterday I kicked the ball. Okay, so last thing I'd like you to do is a little bit of writing. So if you have that same piece of paper, or if you never got a piece of paper, make sure you have paper and a pencil. So how do you help at home? Write about it below. Tell me where, like the place you help, and what do you do? I will give you an example, and then I want you to try it on your own, and I will go back to some of the different options in a moment. So I like to help in the, I'm going to look at this first picture, or actually, I'm sorry, this picture, and I know that's a kitchen. So I like to help in the kitchen by cleaning the table, because there's the table. I'm going to make that lowercase. I like to help in the kitchen by cleaning the table. Okay, so I only have a little bit of time. I labeled the places, so you can use that in your sentences. And here are the chores that you can do: making my bed, picking up my toys, cooking food, washing my dog. Okay, I hope this worked for you. I will keep sending these to you, these videos. I miss you. Amy, Oliver, Donna, and Johnny, I hope to see you soon, and stay well. And I hope you and your families are doing good. I miss you. Bye.